guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video we got Patty, our little Yorkie here. We're going to do her nails. She has the dreaded black nails that we're all afraid to clip. I think that with any nail clip, it very much varies on the individual dog. They're all different. There's no set way of clipping nails. So a couple of the advantages I have here with Patty is that I've groomed her before, so I kind of have an idea of where her nail is, where her vein is rather. But again, it varies on all dogs, so there's no easy way to do this except to actually do it and get to know the dog and the nails. So in this video, we're going to show you how to at least try to locate that vein on the all black nail here. So that we're limiting hitting the quick or anything, or making her bleed, or making them feel any pain. What I do instinctively as a dog groomer is when I see a dog with all black nails, I kind of look at all the other nails to see if I locate one that might be white or like you know, multicolored, where I can actually see the vein, and I can gauge it according to that nail, because a lot of times if you see where the vein is on one nail, it might be the same on all the other nails, although that varies too. But a lot of times, if you could find or locate one white nail, it'll help you gauge where the vein might be on all of them. Unfortunately, with Patty here, they're all black, so it's a little bit more of a challenge. Again, whenever clipping nails, always have your quick stop ready, just in case you hit the vein. So we're going to go ahead and start to clip her nails, and I'm going to show you how to hopefully avoid hitting the vein, or not hitting it too badly on all black nails. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, Patty's nails are definitely overgrown. So again, the challenge is they're all black. We don't know where that vein is. But we're going to start somewhere. So key here is don't cut off too much right off the bat. So on this nail, we're just going to go like right there and see where it brings us. And what we're going to do is we're going to check the inside of the nail face forward. We were looking at it in this direction. So whenever you see that little bit of chafing or white, you could still go a little bit further, but rather than stay focused on that one nail, we're going to do it to all of them. And then we'll go back. Good girl, Patty. Okay, now we could reset. So I think I could go a little bit further on them. And as you're going further on, you will feel the clipper. It will come across the nail softer. Okay, so now on this nail, you can see, if you look dead center here, it's dark, so that's right where the vein is. So I'm not going to go any further on that nail. The only thing I will do is maybe take the bottom portion of that nail off, and on this one I can go a tad bit further, and you see how dark that one got right there, almost to hit the vein. And you can check by just dabbing your finger there, and you can see that there's a tiny bit of blood right there in the center. Sometimes if you hit it lightly like we just did, you can just press it and it'll stop it from bleeding automatically. So again, now we have a little bit of a gauge too, using that nail. And this one, I'm just going to go a little further, and that's about it. So we definitely don't want to go any further than this, because as we know by this one, that dark center right there, we know that is where the vein is. So we're using that one as our gauge. We don't want to go any further. Even though her nails still seem a little bit long, we are right to the vein, and that's proof positive right there of this individual nail being very dark in the center. So as long as you take off little by little, and just keep focus on that the center of the nail, that will help you gauge exactly where the vein is. Okay guys, so that's it. Basically just showing you how to cut black nails. We hit the vein slightly on this second digit in. dabbed a little quick stop on there, stopped it right away. But again, just being a little bit more cautious on the black nails, a little bit more of a challenge, and you just want to be careful and find out where that vein is. And again, once you get used to it, once you get to know the dog, it's basically the same thing. You'll be able to judge where the vein is. And again, the reason why they're so long is because that vein, like we've mentioned in past videos, it grows out with the nail. So you can only go so far. So key is, don't wait too long to get your dog's nails clipped. Rule of thumb, once a month, and it'll retract that vein just a little bit. But there you have it. Give it up for Patty, guys. Such a sweet little Yorkie that she is. Absolute angel. We love her, and we're always glad to groom her and help her out. But with that being said, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to check out our radio show, Groomer Humor. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Grooming by Rudy. Go,